All right, you're going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol DIRV. Okay, there isn't going to be a ton of information that can go on here as the chart goes. The reason why I'm bringing this one up is a shout out to Jonathan Black over here on YouTube. You guys, for example, if you're
Add
researching
a
this,
D.
what's that?
Just add a D to your chart.
Okay,
It's got the D right now.
DI. All right, see if this one will pull
Sorry,
up. There
sorry
we
for
go.
cutting you off.
Okay, so this is going to be that then. Currently
Mhm.
traded at 09, Joe.
Yeah.
Okay, so DIRV. Okay, thank you very much for that.
Mhm.
That makes a lot more sense here. So DIRVD. We'll go ahead and correct that one. Let me change that over here as well. I apologize, but let me get back into what I was saying here for this one. DIRVD. We're going to talk briefly about this chart, but most importantly, for you guys that are following the stock, do me a favor and do yourself a favor. If you're researching, you want to learn more, go over on YouTube and take a look at DIRV from January 22nd, 2017. And actually, if you check the description below, I will be sure to add this one into this video as well. So go check out that video from Jonathan Black. He's left a lot of comments on there, and he's very detailed and he covers a lot of stuff. So shout out to him. We do appreciate everything that you do and all the very, very detailed comments that you leave us. I'm just leaving that out there for you guys. If you guys are learning, this is somebody great that seems to be very knowledgeable, so you can collaborate your thoughts on this one as well. So I'm just throwing that out there for you guys. With that being said, as far as the chart goes, you guys are going to have the resistance level at 1074. 1074 right here, coming up to the 0869. I like the way that this one's looking right now as far as the way that it's making its way through today. But today, 43,000 shares traded. Really comes down to that, Jonathan. Really comes down to that volume right there. The volume over here on the 19th really picked up at 816,000 shares traded. The average volume for the last 20 days has been 349,000. Really comes down to volume here. So we'll let Joe take over and see what he can add in here.
All right, so with this one right here, I wanted to look more into it because it had the reverse split. So that happened yesterday, and then today they received the 10Q. So I just pulled that up. All right, so they had a 1-for-200 reverse stock split that occurred on May 22nd, 2017. And I just pulled up the 10Q, so bear with me. All right, so the cash flow from operating activities for the 3 months ended March 31st, 2016, it was $574,377. For the 3 months in 2017, it was $1,961,800. Well, 100 and wait, sorry, tongue twister right there. $1,961,092 for the 3 months ended March 31st, 2017. But then they had the change in fair value. All right. All right, so I'm just going to go right to the going concern rather than go through this whole thank you. All right, so at March 31st, 2017, the company had an accumulated deficit of approximately 26 million, a stockholders deficit of approximately 8 million, and a working capital deficit deficiency of $7,796,674. The net cash used in operating activities for the 3 months ended in March 31st, 2017, totaled $136,498. Notes payable. I mean, there's a lot of different things to take in regards to looking at this company. I mean, they're generating the revenue, but I don't know like how they're doing overall. I mean, obviously I see that right there. Like that's all. It's all here for you guys to go through and look at because it's like 30 pages. All right. So if you want to continue doing your due diligence on DRVD, it just had the RS yesterday, so these there, but I mean it should be off in like the next 20 days, I'd say. When you're over there, you'll see the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating, the time and sales. And as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it right over on that board.
All right, and as far as the chart goes, 09 was going to be that price, and I'm going to change that right now. I want that to be as accurate as possible. There we go. 07 resistance at 0863 and 1074, 1190 support at 06 is a must hold here. In my opinion, just needs more volume. Again, shout out to Jonathan Black. Really, I mean, I just want you to know that your comments do not go unseen. I do see them. I do try to reply as often as I can. But again, if you guys are following the stock, I'll leave the link in the description below for you guys to go back there and kind of, go back and forth a little bit with Jonathan if you're interested in learning more. He seems very knowledgeable, like I said. So if you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. And get out there and share this video with all other investors on different social networks, stock message boards, and stock forums. If you'd like to participate in our next live show, you can do so at investorshangout.com/live.